Wait, people are using beef tallow on their face? Okay, I was skeptical, but I'm gonna try this.
Dumating na yung in-order natin today. Gustong gusto ko talaga itong itry kasi nga, gusto ko rin ng something new for my skincare routine. No other than the Zenith Anti-Aging Beef Tallow. I've been seeing a lot of people talking about this. Ano pang hinihintay natin? Sabayan nyo ako mag-unboxing nito. Tara! Meron tayong dalawang Zenith products na dumating. Zenith Anti-Aging Tallow Cleanser, Anti-Aging Tallow Cream. Fairness, ang ganda ng packaging nila ha. Amoy bagong sasakyan ha. Alam nyo, I've been struggling with dryness and dull skin talaga. Let's see if this actually works. Siyempre, bago natin ito i-try, importante talaga na mag-patch test muna tayo. So, maglalagay lang tayo ng kaunti dito. So far, ang smooth niya and very moisturizing ha. So, it's time to try it.
Super gentle lang nitong cleanser. Hindi niya naiiwan na dry yung skin ko after gamitin. Wow! It melts easily sa skin at hindi siya mabigat ha. Ang nice ng feeling niya. Parang deeply hydrating. You can see na nag-a-absorb siya nicely and nagbibigay siya ng natural glow.
So excited na ako kung anong magiging resulta after 3 days. Hi! It's been 3 days! Grabe, na-sorpresa talaga ako.
After using it in 3 days, like, wow! Gusto ko yung feeling ng skin ko. Ang lambot niya and moisturize siya buong araw. Ito yung before and after. Makikita niyo talaga from Yum Yum to Joshua Garcia. Hindi, joke lang. Makikita niyo talaga na mas hydrated at mas smooth yung skin ko dito. Since nandito ako sa online business, puyat everyday, nakaka-stress talaga, and you need to be presentable every meetings with your client. Kaya naman, buti na lang na ay na-discover ko si Zenith Anti-Aging Beef Tallow. At sobrang confident ko na ngayon. Alam naman nating mga lalaki na gusto talagang simple lang pero nourishing na skincare routine. Kaya boys, perfect ang Zenith sa atin. Kung naghahanap ka ng natural at moisturizing na anti-aging product, bro, itry mo tong Zenith Anti-Aging Beef Tallow. Comment kayo below kung na-try nyo na ang Anti-Aging Beef Tallow.